Now that we know how to create a new screen, create a new feed, and add content to the screen, let's look at how to display the screen via the internet. Now there's two things I want to show you before we actually do this. First of all, if you remember, the RSS feed field would not display. To fix that, what you do is you go to your active items and you scroll and find your RSS feed and your weather. You click on it and then just click anywhere on this information. If you see here, it has a force update button. More than likely it hasn't been updated yet, and so if you click on that, it should bring the content up on the screen. And then go back and do the same thing for the weather. And after you do that, it should work. Now the second thing you need to know about the screens before you can get it to work is you need to go to the Screen tab, click on your screen and go to Edit Screen. And then right here underneath the location it has this screen is publicly viewable. Check that box. That way when you try to open up in a new browser, whether it's from your computer or a different computer, it will let you do it. Click Update Screen. And here we go. So now we're going to preview the screen again. And as you can see, the weather has come up. And in a few seconds, the RSS feed will start rolling. And there's our pictures. And there's our information on the bottom. So now to display it on a screen or via the internet, here is the information you need to know. Concerto is the site that we're on, and that's how you display the screen. Front end is, for whatever reason, the way that the URL reads the screen. It could be a different, depending on how you set it up on your server, it could be a different way to type in the information to display it. But for now, just remember to type front end. And then the number. The number is very important. If you go back to the screens and you remember, we had 4 screens made. The ID number is whatever screen that you're on. This was the 4th screen that we had created, and so you'll see the 4 up there. If I were to go to create a new screen, then it would be concerto/frontend/5 because it'd be the 5th screen made. Now, if you forget what number you are, all you have to do is go to your preview screen and find this number. So in this browser, I'm just going to pull up a new tab and type in concerto/frontend/4. And as you can see, there it is. Now, just to show you that this does work in other browsers, I'm going to pull up a new Internet Explorer, go up here and type in Concerto, and I already have it typed in, so I'm just going to do this, and here it is, and here is Google Chrome. And there it is.